Using Stripe for online payments is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Stripe is a technology company that provides payment processing solutions for online businesses and e-commerce platforms. It offers a set of tools and APIs that enable businesses to accept and manage online payments securely. Stripe's platform allows merchants to accept payments from customers via credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and other payment methods. First step you need to do is check if Stripe is available in your country. You can do this by visiting Stripe's global availability page. Stripe is currently supported in 46 countries, with more to come. Once Stripe is supported in your country, you'll be able to sell to customers anywhere in the world. So if you find your country listed here, you're in luck, and you can proceed with creating your Stripe account. To get started, visit Stripe's official website at stripe.com. The first thing you'll notice here is Stripe's dashboard. Stripe provides a comprehensive dashboard that provides businesses to manage and monitor various aspects of their payment processing and financial operations. Here are some of the key features you can find in the Stripe dashboard. The dashboard is designed to offer businesses a centralized hub for managing all aspects of their online payment processing. It provides transparency, control, and insights into financial operations, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. Firstly, we have a payment section which allows you to view and manage individual payment transactions. You can search for specific transactions, view payment details, and take actions such as issuing refunds or capturing pending payments. Then we have a balance where you can access your payouts and manage them. On scrolling down, you'll see the balance right next to which you can add a bank account. It also shows you the balance that is on the way to your bank account and funds on hold. To add your bank account, you'll need to complete the verification process. From all payment pages, you can choose how to start collecting payments. It allows you to get started fast with a no-code option or explore customizable UIs that integrate with APIs. The option you have is to share a link to a checkout page. You can sell a product or subscription or accept a donation by sharing a link to a payment page. Next, you have the manually charge a customer option, which allows you to create a payment from the dashboard by manually entering a customer's card information. Right below it, you have the option of invoice a customer. It allows you to collect one-time or recurring payments from a specific customer while automating reconciliation. For all these functions, no code is required. Now let's talk about where code is required. The first one is using a hosted payment UI. It allows you to accept payments on your website by integrating their pre-built hosted payment page. It also allows a few more options given below, for which you can see more details. Next, we have the section of customers. Here, you can manage customer profiles, view their transaction histories, and create new customer records. It's helpful for tracking and understanding your customer base. Click on the Add Customer button if you want to add a new customer. Then, you'll need to add some details about the customer, including name, account email, description, billing information. If you scroll further down, you'll find other options as well. That includes billing details, for which you need to select the country of the customer from the drop-down menu. Fill in all the required information to add a customer. Once you're done, click on the Add Customer button, and customer will be added to your list. This is an easy way to manage all of your customers on one page. You can add many customers by repeating the same process. You can delete a customer or edit their information by clicking on Profile. Next, we have Products. If you sell different products or services, this section lets you manage and organize your product catalog. You can set up product details, prices, and SKUs. You can also add new products on this page. Products are what you sell to customers. They can be anything from physical goods to digital services or subscription plans. To add a new product, simply click on the Add Product button. Here you need to add product information including name, a short description about what your product actually is and how it can be done. You can also add an image of your product from your system. Right below it, you can add some additional options before price information, where you need to add pricing details and pricing model, actual price and price preview. You can also change the currency here. Once you're done setting all the details, click on Save Product to save the changes you have just made. Stripe's billing tools enable you to set up and manage recurring billing for customers with subscription-based services. You can create and modify billing plans and access customer billing histories. Now, let's move to the home page and start creating a payment link. The first thing you need to do is select a type for link creation. From the given list, you can select if you want to have products or subscriptions, or you can also let customers choose what to pay. The first option is the recommended one. After that, you need to find or add a test product. You can search for it from here. Firstly, add the name of your product. Then add description, image, and price. It is exactly the same one that we have done in adding a product section. Add your product name, then add a description which tells maximum about your product. Then set a price for it. Also select if you want it to be recurring or one-time. Then you have the option to upload an image. Select a file from your system. Just browse for it and select from its destination folder. Click on Open to upload it. You can't add an image more than 2 MB. Once you're done, click on the Add Product button. Now your product has been added. You can see it in the preview section given on the right side of your screen. Now from the given options on your left, select the options that best suit. You can choose to select the option of collect text automatically or collect customer's address, which is further categorized in billing address only or billing and shipping addresses. Right below it, you can select to require customers to provide a phone number and add custom fields. On scrolling down further, we have some advanced options where we can allow promotion codes, business customers to provide tax IDs or save payment details for further use. Selection of these options totally depends on your business. Once you're done, click on the Create Link button given on your top right corner of the screen. So this was all about creating a payment link on Stripe. Now, let's go back to the home page. If you're selling products, Stripe can help you manage that too. In the product section, you can add product details including images, descriptions, pricing information, and even specify the currency you'll be using if your business operates in multiple countries. It allows users to edit, archive, and delete products. Stripe's billing tools enable you to set up and manage recurring billing for customers with subscription-based services. You can create and modify billing plans and access customer billing histories. If your business offers subscription-based services, you can use this section to manage subscription plans, view subscriber details, and make adjustments to subscriptions. Stripe offers various payment methods and extensive customization options to cater to your unique business needs. Whether you're a small business owner or simply looking for a convenient way to receive payments, Stripe is a versatile platform worth considering. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.